Hello, do you know when you're proficient in a language? You know you're proficient in a language when you're able to listen and comprehend the language, when you can speak it, you can read, and you can write. And that is exactly what language teachers help their students to do. They want them to be able to listen, speak the language, read, and write. This video is about using voice messaging to help students to improve their speech. If you play back a voice message, you can easily tell how proficient the person is in that particular language. The same way, if the person gets the opportunity to play back and listen to himself speak the language, he can easily tell where he needs to improve in order to speak the language properly. I am going to play back this video. I do it all the time. It helps a lot. Teachers can give their numbers to students to call and leave so that they can leave a message about a passage that the teacher has asked them to read, or an essay that the teacher has asked them to write. If the teacher is not comfortable giving the student his or her own phone number, personal phone number, get a Google Voice. But Google Voice is only available in the US. So we're going to look at some other app, whether the teacher lives in the US or not, the student lives in the US or not. It helps everybody. Let's look at an app called WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a mobile messaging app which allows you to exchange messages without having to pay for SMS. WhatsApp Messenger is available for iPhone, BlackBerry, Android, and Windows phones. So students do not need to have the same type of phone before they can communicate with each other. Once the app can be installed on their phone, they can communicate. When I go to the App Store, I can get WhatsApp Messenger. I have already installed. So what I'm going to do is just open. Okay. Now to create a group for your class, you go to Chats, you go to New Group. I'm going to name this group Class. Then I click Next. Then I select Participants. That is the students that I want to add into the group. So I click on the plus sign, the plus icon there. Then I select some students. I've already selected the student that I want to add into the group. Now I click Create. When I go to Next, it shows those who are in the group. Myself, and then 4 other people. I can just go ahead and send a message. Hello everyone. This is just for demonstration, so don't worry about it. I send it to everyone. Every one of them is going to see the message. If I have to send them a picture or a video, I can do that. I can select and send it to them. And then if I want to send audio, what I can do is I just go to the lower right hand side of the screen and click on the microphone icon. For this recording, it is not going to be possible for me to do this screencast and at the same time send the audio. Otherwise, what you can do is you click on the microphone icon, record the message, and send to the group. That is what you can do. Now, when you're done and then you don't need the group anymore, the members of the group anymore, what you can do is first, you don't have to take yourself out of the group. If you do that, WhatsApp is going to automatically assign someone else as the administrator. And as a teacher, you might not know what will happen between the students. So what you can do is you just click on the group at the top. Now you have the option to remove group members. Make sure you remove everyone. So I'm removing them one after the other. Then when you're done, just delete and exit the group. That is it. Teachers can create groups for students where they can share text messages, and the teacher, as the administrator, you monitor what goes on. I believe you're saying to yourself, but this is not for only language learning. That is very true.